Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a device connected to your Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So it's not that complicated, so I'm gonna let you through the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Here we go. First, you can access your Instagram. I'm gonna go back from the chat section, and this is how our home screen gonna appear. From over here, go ahead, tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right corner, and now you're gonna go ahead, tap on this 3 horizontal line given on top right corner. Then from over here, simply go ahead and go to the section of account center, and then from over here tap on password and security. Then tap on where you are logged in, and now choose your account. I'm going to choose my Instagram account. So now you can see I have 2 devices right over here, and if I want to simply log that device out, I'm going to have to tap on select device to log out. I'm going to choose the device that I don't want it to be there, and I'm going to select it and tap on log out. Tap on log out right over here, and now that device has been logged out. I can only see my device right over there. That's how you can log out your Instagram out of other devices, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.